Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to do a proper tire change on an S1000R. Goes for all bikes obviously, and we're not going to be changing the bike tonight, but we're going to prepare the tire properly for a tire change. When you see this, that means it's time to change your tire. You can tell it's a lot of highway driving. I'm not sure how the driving habits were of the previous owner, but regardless of how the driving habits were, it is time to change because these tires, they are 2015, so 43rd week of 2015. These are the original tires that came with the bike when it got purchased, the back tire and the front tire. So you can see here how bad condition they are. So we're gonna be getting the rear tire ready for the change, and now we're just waiting for a couple of my friends to show up. Hey man,
How are you?
good. Right now you're good at it, huh? Yeah. When the bike goes pa pa, you see fire or nothing? Nothing, huh?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Stop.
If we see cops, we run.
Of course, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. How do you think the best way to record it is?
Maybe without?
I keep my helmet and my gloves on?
No, without the helmet. Without the gloves.
No gloves?
I think so.
I think it would be cooler with the gloves. You got it?
Okay, mi amor.
Ah, mi amorcita.
What she was asking about?
If she sleeps beside the truck, it's gonna be bad for her lungs.
No.
Really? Just don't sleep beside the truck, go sleep beside the guy. So she goes beside the guy. Like, how was I supposed to know? Good? The lady, she was saying if the exhaust from the camion is gonna make her lungs. No?
Waiting, they turned the lights on.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
I was waiting for the...
that's why we come here. But good, we made it on time.
Oh yeah.
Bro, look what happened. Shit. Shit. Look how big it is. And you sure not in my back?
All good.
Shit.
Like guitar.
Like,
Make the noise.
Two. We need
yeah, let's play.
Do a symphony now.
And this is the aftermath of last night. Yeah, so these, when you're doing what we were doing last night, they break to small pieces. And then this happens. So we're gonna be changing them to Metzeler. It's a 190/55 ZR17. It's the new one, the M9 RR. So they're pretty good tires. After doing some research, the front and the back, and let's go get them changed. Gotta wear the tires and let's go.
Hey. Because the tire is gone. It was last night before I got the change. So it was fun. But it's comfy though.
Yeah, I've done it before.
You can just leave it there.
Okay.
And then as soon as we finish this one, I'll go get the second bike. Okay, so we just got both tires replaced. I did not record right away to tell you how the bike feels while driving it as the first drive, and that's because we did not scratch one tire, but the guy scratched both tires. So I was in a pretty bad mood and I just drove it back and I let it sit, and now we're checking it out. This is the first scratch. He did touch it up for me here, and then I think there's another spot. It's gonna be hard to find, but because he did do a touch up, not the best job to be honest, but. And then the front one, same thing, but it was a longer line, so he did a longer touch up. So lesson learned: if the guy who usually changes your tires tells you he's busy, just wait for him. Don't go cheap or go somewhere else. And this is how the new tires look on the bike. Way better than before. Even while driving it, you can tell the bike straightens itself up easily. And because the helper also scratched the tires, I lost kind of my trust in the guy. It shows the size for the front and the back with a tire pressure of 36 psi and the rear tire 42 psi. The guy put it at 43. So I'm gonna have to deflate it. Now that we deflated it, see? Huh. That guy. Anyways, let's do it. Perfect. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And for those of you who stayed until the end, here's a bonus clip for you.